In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Roblox Bladeball Discord server. If you're looking to join the official Roblox Bladeball Discord server, you've come to the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to join the community using an invite link. The process is simple, only takes a few moments, and once you're inside, you'll be able to chat with other players, keep up with game announcements, learn about updates, and participate in community discussions and events. To get started, open the Discord app on your computer or mobile device, and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to use. After Discord finishes loading, look over to the left side of the screen, where all of your current servers are listed. At the very bottom of that list, you'll find the plus icon. This is the option Discord provides for creating a new server or joining an existing one. Click the plus icon to continue. A menu will appear with several options. Scroll to the bottom and select Join a Server. Discord will then open a page with a text box where you can enter a server invitation. This is where you'll need the official Bladeball Discord invite link. If the invite link is included in the description of this video, simply copy it and paste it into the invitation box. If you're entering the invite manually, make sure you type every character exactly as shown. Even a small typing mistake can cause the invitation to fail, so it's a good idea to double-check the link before moving on. Once you've entered the correct invite link, click the Join Server button at the bottom of the window. Discord will verify the invitation, and if the link is active, you'll automatically join the official Roblox Bladeball Discord server within a few seconds. After joining, don't be surprised if you're greeted with a welcome page, server rules, or a verification channel. Many large Discord communities require new members to read the rules or complete a quick verification process before gaining access to all of the available channels. Follow any instructions you see so you can unlock the full server and begin participating without any issues. Once everything is set up, you can browse the different text channels, join voice channels if they're available, connect with other Bladeball players, ask questions, share strategies, and stay informed about upcoming updates, events, and announcements directly from the community. That's all there is to it. Open Discord, click the plus icon, choose Join a Server, enter the correct invite link, and click Join Server. You'll then be ready to enjoy everything the official Roblox Bladeball Discord server has to offer. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,